Hi guys, so today I want to talk to you about one product in particular. This product is from Anastasia of Beverly Hills and it is their contour cream kit. It looks like this. You get 3 highlight shades and 3 contour shades. This is the light to medium kit. It retails for £42 and can be bought in stores and online. Today I'm going to show you how to do this look using the kit for my contour. So let's jump in and you can see how I get this face. I'm going in with the MAC Strobe Cream in the colour Pink Light. I'm just putting a little dollop in my hands and then spreading it over my face. Next I'm going in with the e.l.f. Poreless Putty in the shade Universal, taking a little bit off in a spatula, rubbing between my fingers and then spreading only on the areas where I feel I have the most pores. Next I will be going in with the MAC Paint Pot in the shade Painterly and priming my eyelids. Next I will be going in with the MAC Art Library Flamboyant palette and using the shade Dada Issues to define my crease. Next I will be going in with the shade Dollywood just to further define my crease. I will now be going in with the shade Embark just to deepen the outer corner. Lastly on the eyes I will be going in with the shade What's the Pointillism to add some shimmer to the lid. Now I will be going in with the L'Oreal True Match Foundation in the shade Rose Ivory all over the face. Now I will be going in with the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer in the shade Fair Beige under the eyes and on the high points of the face. I will now be setting under the eyes and anywhere we put the concealer with the Laura Mercier setting powder. I will now be going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Cream palette using the shade Light Sculpt to define the cheekbones, the jawline, the hairline, and lastly the nose. I will now be using the Revolution Brow Pomade in the shade Taupe to define the brows. First brush the hair up the way, line under the brow to define, and lastly fill the brow. I will now be using the Jeffree Star Northern Lights palette using shades Anchorage and Frozen Gold on the cheekbones and high points of the face. I will now be going with the Benefit Get the Pretty Started palette using the shade California as blush. I will now be going in with the shade Dollywood from the Art Library palette to smoke out the under eye. I will now be adding some brown liner from NYX to the waterline and going in with the L'Oreal Paradise Ecstatic Mascara. To line the lips I'll be using the MAC lip liner in the shade Spice. For lipstick I will be using the MAC lipstick in the shade Velvet Teddy. Thank you for watching guys, I hope you enjoyed it and please leave some feedback. Bye.